Friends, are you looking to access Hotstar's premium content at no cost? Let me share with you a video. Jio introduces a wonderful chance that lets you enjoy Disney Hotstar's subscription for free. Enjoy live IPL matches, premium films, web series, all without spending a dime. Ready to learn how? Discover how you can grab this chance. Stick with the video to the finish, you'll find a special tip. Disney Hotstar ranks among India's beloved OTT platforms, offering Bollywood films, Hollywood hits, exclusive series, plus live sports events. But typically, accessing Hotstar's exclusive content demands a paid membership, which might be quite pricey. Exciting announcement! Jio has unveiled a special offer for its users that lets you delight in Hotstar's content at zero expense. Let's see which Jio plan offers this deal. The 328 rupees plan includes 1 month of Disney Hotstar subscription with 2 GB data per day, unlimited calling. The 598 rupees Jio plan includes 3 months of Hotstar subscription with 2 GB data per day, unlimited calling. For 1198 rupees, the Jio plan includes a year-long Hotstar subscription featuring 3 GB daily data and unlimited calls. Through these packages, enjoy watching live cricket series and films at no additional charge. To get Jio Hotstar's free subscription, you need to follow some simple steps. Step 1. Download and log into the MyJio app. Afterward, within the app, head to Recharge and pick the preferred plan including Hotstar. Subsequently, finalize the recharge to receive a confirmation note. Next, proceed to open the Disney Hotstar application. Step 5. Log in with your Jio number and activate the free subscription. This way, you can easily get a Jio Hotstar subscription. Many people ask which offer is better, Jio, Airtel or Vi. Jio provides the most data for the cost and offers the best value. While Airtel also provides Hotstar subscriptions within certain plans, their costs are often higher. 6. Has very few plans worth choosing from. So, if you want the best deal, choosing Jio plans would be the wise decision. If you don't use Jio, you can still get Disney Hotstar for free in some ways. Some banks and credit cards offer free Hotstar subscriptions. You can redeem Hotstar subscriptions using Flipkart Supercoins. Provides free Hotstar subscription. So friends, you can try these methods even if you don't have Jio. Hope today's video has been very informative for you. If you want to take this offer, recharge via MyJio app today. And if you have any questions, don't forget to let us know in the comments below. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.